Hey, all right, cool. So it is me and my buddy Garrett Perkins. He's a badass. He just dropped, I think he just bought like a slot in the traffic. Maybe it was what, 600, right?
Yep.
All right,
Yep.
cool. So we're gonna get him all set up with a Facebook tracking pixel. And so what that means is anytime somebody comes to a website, the pixel puts it on their computer. And I don't know if you've ever had this experience where you go to some random website that you were looking at on Amazon or some other website, maybe some realtor or whatever, they're following you around. You're like, hey, there's an ad for that thing that I was looking at before. Well, we're going to be able to create that. That all comes from this pixel. So you create the pixel, you put it in your Empower Network back office. We're going to show you how to do that here in a second. You go to your capture page, you can then market, you can retarget those people. And so it's almost as if you're building another list. So you're building a list on Facebook through the retargeting pixel of everybody that has gone to your capture page. And then your capture page is building a more targeted list of everybody that puts their email address in. You're also building a list of everybody that decides to join from putting their email address in and watching the sales video or opening up some of your follow-up emails. And that's the next part we're going to do. We're going to dive into Kalatu Cloud and just kind of whip up some of these pre-written personal emails or pre-written emails that are already converting and then personalize them a little bit. So I'm a little burnt out. I just got back from like a super long flight from Dubai. Slept. And so it's been a weird amount of time since I haven't slept. It's probably like 8 a.m. in Dubai time, which is what my body's finally accustomed to after being there for 17 days. So anyway, Garrett, I'm going to pass it on over to you. If you could click on that green button on the left side, it's like a green
Yep.
computer with a white arrow.
All right.
Just real quick. All right, so I'm not 100% sure where the pixel's at right now. I did it a while back, but we can find it real fast. You're frozen.
Uh,
Oh, no, you're not
there
frozen.
we go.
All right. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, man, I look like shit. Go to Facebook. And then if you scroll to the very bottom, I think it's the very bottom left. I think the new Facebook ad thing is going to keep going with that. Maybe up in the top right, there's a little drop-down arrow. Yeah, is there an ad option? Pages.
Create ad.
All right, sweet. Good job. Let's do that. All right, so to prepare this new account for him, he has some fan pages that'll load up in this. That's not really going to, I don't know exactly how effective that's going to be for what we're doing. And then if you click on the drop down underneath Ads Manager, there's like 3 little bars. Manager, can you click that? No, maybe it's your name. What if you click your name? No, not that. Oh, audience under ad set, right below that. So this is going to be creating new audiences. Yeah. So if you click that, no? Oh, it's locked.
There.
You have to make objectives and shit first. Okay, so let's get out of that. Open up a new tab real quick and search for Pixel. And I bet we can navigate directly to it somehow. I think that's the implementation guide. Go down a little more. Facebook, maybe put like ad pixel, conversion pixel. Okay, everyone's talking about it, and there's not a link directly to it, huh? Maybe put create Facebook implementation guide. Yeah, go to the implementation guide. Let's do that. Let's just follow Facebook's guide. At first, I thought that was a fan page talking about that. Okay, create a Facebook pixel. Oh, can you click on that link? Okay, so scroll down a little bit. My bad, I guess you didn't need to click that. Go to your Facebook Pixel tab. Can you click, is that a link? All right, so that may be exactly what we need. So we'll get into what to do with this later, but click on Create a Pixel, the green button. And that's fine. That's just for your uses. And then install Pixel now. And now copy all of that code, all that craziness. There you go, you copied it. Cool. Now go on over to Empower Network and go to Marketing Links, Marketing Center, My Links. And then scroll down a little bit. Do you still have Aweber?
Yeah, I do. I hadn't canceled it yet.
Are you looking to transfer away from that for this?
Yeah, I will.
Okay, cool. So click on Sales Conversion Tracking Pixel, Advanced at the very
Oh,
bottom,
there it is.
just a little sentence. And then that should open up a box where you can click Paste and you can save the pixel. Then the blue button,
All right.
green button below, save the pixel. Okay, and then we're going to go, did that do it? It should give you a little thing saying that it saved
There
it.
it is. Yeah.
So now go up a little bit, and underneath autoresponder, Aweber,
Kalatu Cloud.
change that to kalatu cloud. And just put total shortcut with a capital T and a capital S. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and so then you're good on that. Next thing is, so now, you know, when somebody goes to that capture page, the thing that you see a picture of on the right side, which is what we're using, we're just using the default campaign. It says the free to discover thing. So the next part is to go over to Kalatu Cloud.
Okay.
Okay, so now go to Manage Autoresponders or Create Autoresponder. That works. So new on the left, the big blue button.
Yeah.
We got a new autoresponder. It's just going to be a standard one. You can create them for date specific. So if you have a product launch or something going out on a certain date, standard autoresponder, click next. So autoresponder name, that's for you. You can call it like personalized total shortcut or total custom, you know, something like that. So you know what it is.
Okay.
Okay, and for the display name, you know, you put your shortcut to 3,000, your first $3,000 online.
Sorry, what was that?
But I'd just say shortcut to your first 3,000 online. That's basically what the sales video says. For display name, the next tab
Oh,
or the next box.
so your first.
Yeah, your first 3,000 online or 3K online. All right, so scroll down. That's optional. We don't need that. I think that's it. Yeah, so go next. Okay, and so here's where you can load up the emails that are going to be in the autoresponder. So click on New Letter. Oh yeah, maybe you save it first. All right, so New Letter. Let's copy letter from library. So we're going to start with a sales email. So click on nine categories and go to total shortcut. And then go, just grab number 1, I guess. And continue. Now, you'll notice we want this one to go immediately after triggered. So that first one says immediately after triggered. Let's go with that. And you'll see that it already has the title, last chance, get the total shortcut. Now I do want to set a trigger for that, but let's do it afterward.
Okay.
The trigger's at the very bottom, but let's do that afterward. Click next. Now all you're going to do here, click go to letter builder, blue button, and click right there, and a pencil will show up at the very right for you to edit. And now click to the left of the word question and push enter twice. And click above it. I just want to put a picture up there. So over on the left side, it says images. Below images, it says image, singular. I don't know whether there's like 3 different ways, but a little bit down, yeah, there's like 3 different ways to put a damn picture in this email, but whatever. So then on the right, it's a green thing that says upload image. Between us dudes, that was a fart. So click select right there in the middle.
Where? Over there.
Yeah, and just grab a picture. I don't know if you have any. This is being broadcast live. Your nudity is safe. If you just want to drag a picture there.
I got one. Hang on.
Yeah, so just one of, if you got you and your wife, you guys on vacation, you doing something awesome. The point is that these are good emails, and they have your name in them already. But things work better when there's pictures, and people will remember your face. And so if you're, especially because one of the things we want to do is we want to make your hottest leads add you on Facebook. And so if your hottest leads are coming to you and adding you on Facebook, it's easier if they already know what your face looks like. You want them to associate a face with your emails, with your brand, stuff like that. And now you can go in and you can rewrite the first paragraph or whatever, or like write a PS or a PPS or something like that. Get even better, more personalized. But go ahead and grab that picture, click insert, and now let's edit it a little bit. Double click on it, and let's just grab that. It says 600 width. Drag it over to like 300. That's probably good. And click insert in the bottom right. All right, cool. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Yeah, so you can write more if you want to customize that more. If you scroll down to the very bottom, I just want to show you what it looks like. You'll see that it has a link to the empowernetwork.com/total shortcut. It'll say $ID equals, and then it'll have the code that brings up your ID at the very bottom. Boom, there it is, my affiliate ID. So that's going to load you up with your affiliate ID. And down below that, if you can get a little lower, it should actually say like affiliate name also. I don't know, I think you have to, yeah. Okay. There it is, my first name. Yeah, so it says talk soon, and it'll say like Garrett, commission magician. If you want to put another picture there, that's a cool place for a picture too. If you want to add in a PS, here's my wife and I, on vacation, and that's one of the cool things about running an online system like this is that you can make money while you're on vacation.
Okay.
Or whatever, but that's just for the future. So if you want to go in there and do more of that later, that works. So go up to the top and click that ancient diskette thing that nobody uses anymore that means save.
Ancient
and
floppy.
Then, yeah, the floppy. Then click on the blue closed letter builder. And click next. Actually, we're done here. You can, up at the top, you can click save and close. Save and close. All right, and so now you have if you click refresh, it should show that you have one email going out. Down a little bit, not that refresh, but the one like right above where it says subject. Just down right from where you are. Yeah, sorry, it's like impossible to describe. Yeah, so that should show you the one email you have if that refreshes. I don't know what's going on.
Let's do this. Back into it. Oh, shit.
Refresh on that one.
There it is.
Click edit and see how it says number of letters 1.
Mm-hmm.
So let's just do one more just so you get the hang of it. Click next. And add another letter. So this one, see, it says send date immediately. So it's going out right away. So here goes a new letter. and go to the total shortcut again, and let's go with number 2. Continue. Okay, for this one, select date. We want to go, no, you don't want to do immediately, so you want to go 1 day, 10 a.m., maybe make that like 7 a.m. If you click on that clock,
Okay.
or you can just write it all out, :0, there you go. And then make it go 1 day afterward. So the first one's going to go out immediately, the second one's going to go out a day later. So this one's live video, spontaneous commission magician. I'll go to the letter builder and go to the edit, the pencil. And let's just scroll down to the very bottom. Just because something seems too good to be true doesn't mean that it isn't. All right, so like right there, let's put in a, here I am in San Diego hanging out with my 2 buddies that seemingly travel the world for a living because of this system. Take advantage of the total shortcut. And let's pop, I saw that you already had that picture of Hunter and I and you loaded up, so let's just put that one in there.
That travel the world for a living.
That seemingly travel the world for a living. I want to say because we don't really travel the world for a living, but it could seem like it. So one thing real quick, after the word best, friends, push enter. It's about that long. So you can put another one. After living, travel the world, I just get rid of the comma and put ... and then push enter again. And then say, but really they just figured out how to make money from anywhere in the world using this total shortcut.
Make money.
Enter. There you go.
Anywhere in the world.
Using this total shortcut. And then let's, I like it. So I would highlight shortcut. Wait, before that, actually go up to the other one that you already had the link, and let's just copy that link to make it easy. Yeah, so copy that one. You may have to like Command C to copy it.
Oh, shit.
I don't know if it did it or not. All right. Well, you know what? You got my links open. So right up there at the top, you can just go to my links.
Let's see if that.
Another tab open already.
Copy that. Where's that? Insert hyperlink.
Yeah, there you go. Insert hyperlink. And then let's do that. So go to my links real quick. Here's one more step that you guys can do if you're watching this to make this work a little bit better. See that? So copy that capture page link. The second one. Yeah.
Okay. And
then go back to kalatu cloud. And then after the word add equals, because it should end with add equals, put it as, this is email too, right?
Yeah.
So put what is it, personalized total shortcut? Is that what you called it?
I think so.
So put like
personalized total shortcut.
Yeah, so put like capital PTC and then like lowercase email too. And so now you'll know, and I'll wait real quick, highlight all that and copy it. Command A, Command C. And then click OK. And we're going to change all the links to that real quick. So the link up above where it says, yeah, that one.
Oh.
Shit.
I don't use a Mac at work, so I'm trying to use all my hotkeys. It doesn't work too well. There it is.
Gotcha. Yeah, I'm slowly learning about Mac from telling everybody this. Oh, it looks like you pasted it, but I don't know if it's pasted in the link. Like if you just click on the link, you don't have to highlight it. You can just, well, whatever. Now click on that. Just click on the link option. I think just being,
Oh, on the hyperlink?
yeah, I think that should still work. Yeah. Okay, now look all the way to the right. Does it have it? Like the URL that's pasted?
Oh.
The other one, yeah. Yeah. So delete all that and then click paste. Now this has your tracking in it. Click OK. Is there one more
Yeah.
up above? Yeah, it is. So if you just click on, I think you're still highlighting it. Maybe not.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. It's just when you click paste that it gets weird on you. Oh, you got to click.
Yeah, I got it.
No, that works. You can just be high. You can just have the cursor somewhere within the link,
Oh, yeah.
and it'll let you hit the link.
Oh.
All right, Command A.
Okay.
All right, I'm pretty sure that's everything. But just to be sure, scroll up a little bit. That's definitely it. Okay, cool. And so now you can click on that floppy.
Do I need, when we put the picture down here? I hadn't done that yet.
Oh yeah, my bad. Good call. Yeah, so right down below total shortcut, go to images or image singular. I think you might have it in images also, but I just always use this one. My library. And there it is. Insert. Double click on it. Make it. This one you probably make it like 400 since it's at the end. I like to make them smaller in the beginning because when they open up the email, if all they see is a picture, they might just think that's all it is. But at the end, you can make it a little bigger. So now you can hit the floppy. And you had the same hat on. That's awesome. And click the letter builder. I love that hat.
I had to throw it away.
You what?
It fell apart. I got to buy a new one.
Damn. All right, save and close. Cool. So we got both of those done. Now what I want to do is go to on the left column, it says email campaigns. And this will be the last thing. Create new campaign. And then go to basic templates, I guess. The thing I was looking for wasn't there. Yeah, just go with that top left one. That's fine. Basic plain text and HTML. Select. Okay, name your letter. Let's call it FB invite after email open, because that's exactly what it's going to do.
Okay.
Go to the email campaigns tab. Or actually, no, let's not do that. Go back to where you were. For the subject, let's just name it, hey, ... No, that's fine. Undo, leave that one how it was. I think it's Command Z. Okay, and for the subject, which is one below, yeah, now write, hey, you can write, yeah, ... I saw that you just opened up my email. Maybe take the caps off. A lot of times email filters will. Actually, maybe get rid of the ... also, because email filters don't like that either. You do a period or a comma or something, or semicolon, yeah. Hey, I saw you just saw, or whatever. Let them know, I just saw you open up my email. Cool. And we'll leave it in the non-categorized category, that's fine. And click next. And notice that you could set a trigger for this email template also. and then go to the letter builder, and then go to the pencil on the right, and then delete all that, and write. I saw that you just opened up my email, and I wanted.
That's weird.
It's fine. It's fine. It might even be cool that it's in a different format. I saw that you just opened up my email, and I wanted to connect with you on Facebook. Period. Enter. Send me a friend request here. Enter. And do you know your link?
Like my actual Facebook link.
Yeah, just go to Facebook real quick. You don't need any of those other tabs. Yeah. Oh, this is good because we can also grab your profile picture. So yeah, click on Garrett up in the top next to the word home. And then Garrett Perkins 9, there it is. So copy that link. Go into Kalatu Cloud. Paste it. Highlight it and make it a link, a hyperlink. And then after the thing, push enter twice again, and then go back to Facebook and let's download that profile picture. If you click on the profile picture, click on your face, and then hover near the bottom, there should be an options, download. There it is. Okay, now go back to Kalatu Cloud. And it's in a good spot. You can easily drag it. So image, and then the green on the right side, upload, image upload. On the right, yeah. Drag that bad boy over. Click upload image to work. I didn't see it. Oh, is that not working?
Let me do this.
Maybe it's not going to let you drag from there. Maybe you got to like put it on your desktop, or I don't know. I know Ray was having a problem with that with his Mac. He had to like move it from his photos to the desktop, and then he could drag it from the desktop into that box, and that worked fine. I had an iPhone for about 1.5 years. I liked it. It was the best phone I'd ever had at the time, but that's true for like every phone. Never really used a Mac though. Yeah, that little drop-down bar getting in the way.
Yeah, I'm doing it. Let me drag it.
All right, cool. So
I got it now.
Badass. Upload that image. And so what this is going to do is insert it, and then let's make it like 300 width. Since you don't have very many words, that can trigger a little bit of a spam complaint, like, whoa, this is just a big ass picture and that's it. Now make it, yeah, that's fine, whatever, insert. And that should be good. So click on that save diskette in the top left, close the letter builder, click next. Yeah, that's fine. So click on save and close. And so now we're going to go back to that email campaign, the autoresponder. And for the last chance to get the total shortcut one, if you refreshed it, there's probably another one there, but just click edit. And what we're going to do is scroll down to the bottom where it says set up email triggers. Edit. It's not working? Maybe you do have to refresh it first. Oh, shit. Yeah, so it's got 2 letters now. Click Edit. And then click, at the bottom, scroll down. Oh, wait, no, it's under emails. Go next. And then edit your last chance. It's not working. It's not letting you edit it. That right there, I see that it shows a hand. Can you right click it and open a new tab? Oh, you don't have right clicks, right?
Yeah, I got it.
No, that didn't work.
Send to a blank page.
What the fuck? I don't know, man. Try on the spontaneous commission magician. Can you edit that one?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so let's do a new letter. From the library. Non-categorized. Go to sales and just go to 0 again.
Do it. What would you say? Total shortcut? Which one? 001.
Yeah, continue. And then scroll down to the bottom where it says, go to immediately is what units for send option, immediately after triggered. And for this one, make it, put an in quote after the word, or get rid of one of the dots, just so that we know the difference. All right, now scroll down and set a trigger for this email template. You have it as do nothing. So we want to select your criteria. So the next little area, and then say email is opened. So here's all the things you can do, whether they opened it or didn't. That's pretty much the main thing that I go off of. But go off of, if it's opened. Then what you want to do is you don't want to start an autoresponder. You want to send this and go to like the non-categorized, send a letter. And from non-categorized, select letter. FB open, whatever, there it is. And so what's going to happen, let's make it go after like 3 minutes.
30?
Yeah, 3. Let's give it 3. So they open it up and you're real responsive. You're on top of the ball. You just send them an email. Hey, I saw you open your email. Like, shit, that was 3 minutes ago. Cool. Oh, I'm going to add this guy on Facebook. They're still kind of in it at that moment. Yeah. You know what I mean? All right, cool. So you got that trigger. Scroll up. I don't know why we couldn't edit this one, so we're just going to delete the other one. Scroll up a little bit more and click next. And then in the top, just go to the letter builder, go to the pencil, and above the word question, put that picture of you and Jill in there again. We'll just delete the version of this email that has 3 dots. Image, yeah, there it is. Cool, yeah, bottom left one. Or wait, maybe it was that one. Yeah, sorry, good call. Make it a little smaller.
A little smaller?
No, that's good, never mind, I'm wrong. That looks great. Save it. Close letter builder. And then save and close. Only one email can be sent to, oh, damn it. Okay, go back to edit autoresponder, or go back to edit autoresponder, and that one, try to see if you could delete it. Maybe delete works. Maybe between straight up a little bit, there's a delete between refresh and new letter is a trash can. Maybe you can delete it there. You see what I'm talking about? You got it. Yeah. You got it checked, and then yeah. Is that working?
Select one item to continue. Check and try again.
Man, I don't know. I've never had this happen before. So let's go back to it real quick. Go to the edit letter. Let's just get this one saved. Click previous. And instead of going immediately, say select date and make it go 0 days afterward. Cool. That's perfect. So then now click save and close. All right. So now if you hit refresh.
For some reason my refresh button's not working.
Yeah. You got. I remember you had to like exit out of everything and then go back from the beginning to get it to work. That's kind of annoying. I don't know what that's about. Manage autoresponders. I do know we're still kind of in beta.
Yeah.
Oh, there is one more important thing to do. Real quick, before you get into that, go to default autoresponders. And it's in like the center, top center part, yeah. And then if you scroll down, there's one for total shortcut. Right now you have none as your default autoresponder. You want to select the one that we just created. The personalized total shortcut. There you go. Now save and close that. All right, and now go to autoresponders. And let's see what you can do about this weird setup. Next. And can you get rid of the immediately one? No? Well, I don't know. So maybe that'll get fixed here the next day. So here's what you do with that. You just go to support up there in the top right, and you send them a ticket, and they get that fixed. Yeah. Subject, can't delete emails from autoresponder. Tell them maybe the delete button, the trash can when selected, and the delete link. And then click send. Cool. So yeah, now you've got Facebook Pixel on it, so you can run an ad on Facebook to everybody that's been to your capture page, because we're about to send like 700 people to your capture page or something like that. After that, if they opt in, they're going to start getting these emails. If they open up the email, they're immediately going to get the trigger's going to go off. They're going to get another email that says, "Hey, I saw you just opened my email. Add me on Facebook." Adding you on Facebook, and they're going to be coming in from this traffic. Those are going to be your hottest leads, right? They're people that basically went to your capture page, put the email address in, and then went to your capture page, put the email address in, opened up their email, clicked on, and then opened up a second email, then clicked to go to Facebook, and then clicked add, right? So you can stop sharing the screen. I think we're done. Yeah, so then that's all there. Also, you've personalized it. Now, right now, you only have like 3 emails, and 2 of them are the same. We're going to figure out how to delete one of them. And even if we don't, that's not really going to be a big deal. There's another email trigger that I like, and it's after they don't open the email for 12 hours, send them another one saying RE : and then the exact same title. Your last chance, and just take that exact same email, push enter, and say, "Hey, are you getting my emails?" ? And just leave that other email right below it.
Yeah.
And then what you could do is on the second one, if they don't open up the second email 12 hours later, you can say like, you can send them a direct email. Maybe it's a different way, saying like, "Hey, are you getting these? Or I wasted my space in my autoresponder having you in here. Are you not interested?" Basically, kind of calling them out on it. You get them to confirm. Well, no. A lot of people will respond to it. Like, no, I'm interested. Even though their actions suggest otherwise, right? But yeah, so that's basically that. I think we're pretty much good to go. I'm definitely done recording this then. So guys, yeah, if you watch this, implement all that if you have to. You'll have a Facebook pixel so you can retarget the people that landed on your capture page. You've got an autoresponder that you can load up. Garrett only loaded up like 2 of them. But there's tons in there. There's basically value and there's sales. You got the total shortcut ones where there's 5 of those, and you can pick any one of those 5. put them out there, pop your pictures in there, rewrite them however you want to rewrite them. You know, sometimes you can even put in a little story with your picture that leads into what they're talking about, or say, you know, hey, I just got this cool email from my multi-million-dollar mentor. You know, you got to check it out. And then put the rest of that, you know, commission magician email or whatever in there. However you want to do it is cool. Putting your own personality in there is what's important, and making them see your face. In addition to those 5 total shortcut ones, there's also done for you emails. You can use some of those if you like those. Then there's also the daily shortcut. And so what we do is we go in cycles: a value cycle, a sales cycle. If you just sell, 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 people stop opening up emails. But then if you switch and you start giving value, sending those daily shortcuts, people start to like those videos, and then your email open rates start climbing again, and then you can give another sales cycle. And you'll notice Empower does it all the time. We give value, 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 and then boom, we give sales cycle. There's a big promotion, there's big rush of sales, big rush of social proof because everybody got sales all at once. It works great. Value cycles and sales cycles. You pay attention to any email marketers you follow and see that they do the exact same thing. So you can actually set that up in your kalatu Cloud autoresponder and just throw your pictures in there. So it's coming from your name at the bottom, right? Signed by you. You can write your own PS or PPS, and you can slip your pictures in there. And it's awesome, you know? So that's basically it. You're ready to go. I can turn the traffic on for you right now, and you'll start getting some sales, Garrett.
Absolutely. I'm excited.
All right.